Hello guys, for today's video we're gonna do an oil change in the F-150. We're gonna use the Benz Oil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 520. We're gonna use 15mm socket with extension and wrench, or oil filter wrench too, so we have enough oil to cover everything. So we're gonna take out this 15mm bowl from the oil pan, drain the oil, put a new one, change the oil filter too. The location for the oil filter is like underneath the car, and boom, you see it right there. It's easy. We're gonna take it out. Let's get it. So now we're gonna put the bowl back. Make sure the bowl is clean, nothing is not there, dirty, or anything like that. Clean here a little bit. Put it back. I recommend to not over tie this, because it can be a nightmare later. I also recommend to not use an impact gun. I know many people love to use an impact gun on the oil pan for no reason, because this part right here is, I don't know, I think it's delicate. So use a regular wrench. You don't have to use an impact gun. So let's go to remove the oil filter. I don't know, you can see in the camera we have these things like funnel they put over here, so for easy drain. Let's see if we can remove it with the hands. It's kind of hot. Let's go to use this oil wrench. As I thought with the hand we can do it, but apparently not. Okay, we got that loose. Easy. Make sure you can catch the oil. I don't want to spill the oil. Let me see. There you go. See, we have oil from here, and from the other part too. So for the oil filter, we're gonna use this FL500S. That's the right number part for the 5.0 liter V8 engine. So we're gonna put oil here We're gonna put oil here, maybe like halfway, don't full, and we're gonna get oil this part right here and put it back to the engine. I think that's enough. I want to make sure have a little oil before put it back to the engine. Many people, they don't know you have to put oil in the oil filter. You have to, because if you don't put oil on the oil filter, your engine is gonna run dry a little bit as soon as you start it. So you have to be careful with that. We're gonna clean this a little bit with a clean towel. I'll clean it, make sure everything's fine. Now we're gonna put the filter. It's kind of easy first try, but it's gonna be fine. Now clean the filter so we can tighten it. So clean the filter first before you tighten the filter, because sometimes when you put the filter on, it drops a little bit of oil. That's normal. Clean the filter so later you can check it out to see if it's leaking or not. Plus also if you want to tighten it, you have to dry it a little bit from the oil. Get the oil dry. Sorry. So that's how after the installation of the oil filter. It's clean. Now that's the bowl for the oil pan. It's tied. So now we're gonna put the oil back to the engine. Oh, also we're gonna take the oil from the catch can too in a minute.
Está cayendo.
I have a little helper here. My wife is helping me out because it's an awkward position here with this funnel and the catch can over there. Yeah guys, we have to figure out something else. My wife is helping me out right now because the position of the catch can, the funnel is too big, I guess. This is at 1.25 gallons. I have to figure out something else later. I will do something, another video to figure out something else. Yeah man, I have to figure out something. Maybe change the funnel, something else. At least a tight space right here. So this engine, because this is 2017, the manual for 8.8. Well guys, we finished with the oil change. man. I have to figure out something because this catch can right here is between this space, this battery, and this. You don't have room. Well, especially for my setup with the funnel and the oil. I have to figure it out something how I'm gonna later when I do the oil change again. I have to figure out how I'm gonna do it because it's a really tight space when I pour in the oil. It's a really tight space, man. I have to figure out something else. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.